Hey everyone, I'm grill lover and grill photographer Mike Lang. When you love to grill a lot, hanging out in the pantry might seem kind of boring. However, in days like today where we're looking for new and different things to grill, I don't mind taking a deep dive. Things like rice, canned vegetables, canned beans, I should probably do that more often, can make for an amazing meal, which is why today we're going to do grilled quesadillas with rice and beans. The first rule about making quesadillas: there are no rules about how to make quesadillas. I absolutely love them. And whether it be rice and beans for today or for leftovers, I consider the tortilla the ultimate vessel for getting food on the grill. Of course, we need tortillas, and obviously I've got a little bit of a tortilla problem. I've got them in all different shapes and sizes, and this is what I actually had on hand, so this wasn't bought just for this. We're gonna cook the rice and beans on the side burner of the grill. So for that, I'm using a cast iron Dutch oven, but any kind of oven-safe pot will work. For the rice, I'm using chicken stock for my liquid. I think it adds a lot more flavor, but if you don't have chicken stock on hand or in your pantry, just use water. Beans, black beans. I love black beans a lot. You don't have black beans, I would say use kidney beans. They are just as good. And for extra seasoning, I'm gonna go with some salt, some cayenne, and some onion powder. Again, use what you like, use what you have on hand. To start the rice and beans, add the chicken stock to the pot. Oh yeah. And we want that to boil, so we'll cover it up and give it just a few minutes. With the stock boiling, it's time to add the rice and the beans, onion powder, cayenne, and also salt. Give it all a stir. From here, turn the heat down to low, cover with a lid, and let it cook about 15 minutes. Give them a quick look, and those look pretty good. Put the lid back on, and let's take her inside. First, take a tortilla. Just take some olive oil on a brush. You want to oil up the outside of that tortilla so it doesn't stick to the grill. Okay, I'm going to start with a little bit of our rice and beans. And remember, because we're going to fold these over, don't overstuff them. From there, I'm going to go to the cheese. Cannot go wrong with too much cheese, that's for sure. A little bit of hot sauce, cilantro, and a little bit of green onion. And then just take it to the side, fold it over, and press it down. All right, then let's do this. With our grill preheated, I'm gonna set 2 burners to medium, medium-low, 1 burner to off. The tortillas will cook really fast. The area of indirect heat gives us a safety zone in case something cooks too quickly. I'm gonna set them so they face away from me, so that way when it's time to flip them, it's a much easier process to get them over. One of the nice things is once these begin to crispen up, you can just take a pair of tongs and just rotate them over just like that. All right, let's get them off. Oh wow, these look really good. Oh my gosh. So good. Many of us are getting used to new ways of working and eating. But by taking humble pantry staples to the grill, we can put a fresh spin on canned and packaged foods. Leave a comment below if there's anything you'd love to see me grill, or you have any tips of your own. Take care, fellow grill lovers. Keep the flame burning bright.